Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. There was an anticlimactic outcome to this year's final of the CG United Regional Super50 Cup after the Jamaica Scorpions and the Barbados Pride forfeited Saturday's game at the Brian Lara Cricket Academy in Trinidad. The Jamaica Scorpions were one win away from a second Super50 title in 3 years, but instead the team returned to the island on Sunday empty-handed after the final on Saturday against the Barbados Pride ended in controversial fashion as no winner was declared. According to a release from Cricket West Indies, with an initial scheduled start of 1 p.m. local time on Saturday, scattered showers began at the ground around midday, forcing the first indefinite delay to the start of proceedings. The release noted match referee Ryan King, in conjunction with the umpiring team, informed both teams that the latest possible start time was 6:17 p.m. local time, at which point the game would be played as a 20 overs per side contest. According to the playing conditions applicable to the tournament, if no play was possible at all, or in the event of a tie, no result, or game abandoned, both teams would be declared co-winners of the tournament. But here's a controversial part. The CWI release highlighted that around 5:45 p.m., the officiating team determined that the game could proceed at the latest possible start time of 6:17 p.m., which is the original cutoff time. They informed the players of this and that the toss would be conducted at 6 p.m. However, according to the release, despite assurances from the umpires and match referee that the conditions were safe for play, both captains failed to be present for the toss, allowing time to elapse past the latest starting point. As a result, both teams failed to take the field, effectively refusing to play. This resulted in a double forfeit, with no champion being declared. According to Scorpions head coach Robert Haynes, he is fully in support of the decision from the team.
To be honest with you, the time frame that I got in terms of getting the guys ready to go and play cricket, I don't think it was enough, because we cannot be sitting down for over 5.5 hours and then in 25 minutes hear that you have to go and play. I think that is really sad, but at the end of the day, we will just have to wait and see what happens in terms of what the West Indies board will do.
The CWI statement concluded by saying, quote, CWI will review tournament regulations in light of the unprecedented situation of the double forfeit, end quote. The release also stated additional information will be shared following further consultation with stakeholders. The CWI statement also noted that this year's champions were set to receive prize money of US $100,000, while the runners-up would have received US $50,000. It did not suggest that the two finalists have or will be receiving any of the prize money. It adds, though, that both semi-finalists will be rewarded US $25,000 each. The Jamaica Scorpions team returned to the island on Sunday.